If you've ever looked at a map of Africa, you might have noticed this one country that has possibly the most awkward border in the world, a panhandle stretching almost 300 miles away from its main landmass. You see, this is Namibia, and there's actually a pretty funny story about why this border exists, but to understand it, we need to travel all the way back to the year 1890. At this time, Germany had quite a few colonies in Africa, including Namibia, except they noticed a huge problem. You see, for the Germans to travel from this colony to German East Africa, they needed to take this extremely long voyage all the way around the African continent. However, they realized that if they could just access the Zambezi River, this trip could be made 100 times easier. But the thing is, the only way to access this river was by going through Britain's territory, and since Germany couldn't just wander into another country, they decided that it would be a great idea for them to trade their island of Zanzibar to get this strip of land. However, in making this trade, what the Germans failed to realize was that this river that they thought was going to connect their two colonies was actually split down the middle by the largest waterfall in the world, making it physically impossible to traverse. The British, on the other hand, had known this for years, and decided to trade this land with the Germans anyways, knowing it would be completely useless